Hey guys, welcome back to Millennial Money Moves with Nadia. I just wanted to say thanks again for those of you who have been supporting me from day one. And thank you to my new subscribers. I'm so excited that you guys are still liking the content. With that being said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because you want to hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting, and those likes really help keep my content out on YouTube. So you guys know this segment. It's where I talk about my top 3 favorite YouTubers and I review their stock picks and give you guys a little background and a little more research on the companies that they're discussing. So that's Chris Sain, Stock Moe, and of course, Stock Up with Larry Jones. Now Chris Sain, that's who we're going to start with. He told us about Torchlight Energy Resources. Their ticker symbol is TRCH. It was about $4.25 when he told us about it in his video. And since he first mentioned it to his viewers, it's increased 50%. And that's awesome. I really love his recommendations. This is a company based in Plano, Texas. It's an oil and gas exploration and production company. And they focus on acquiring profitable oil fields. He also gave us Neovasc. That's NVCN. This was $2.26 when he showed it, and he suggested that we buy. According to Yahoo Finance, this is a medical device company that focuses specifically on cardiovascular equipment, and they're based in Vancouver. And he talked about Organogram again. That's OGI. It was $4.19 when he recommended to buy. And he talked about this one before. He really thinks we should put a trailing stop loss on this one. Now, please go check out their videos. You guys know I leave the links in the descriptions below. Not trying to take credit for finding these stocks. They're putting in hard work for these finds. I'm just saying this is who I follow for tips of where to invest. I think Chris Sain and Stock Moe are great. Stock Moe, he used to be a financial advisor and he used to teach classes in high school and college. So he's really well informed and I think that's awesome. And definitely check out their videos for more details. And of course, Stock Up with Larry Jones is my personal favorite because this channel wouldn't even exist if it weren't for him. So let's get into Stock Moe's picks. He talked about CCIV, that's Churchill Capital. This one is a SPAC, and he thinks that a merger will be happening soon, so he thinks we should get into it now. However, Stock Up with Larry Jones, Uncle Larry has told me that he thinks we should buy after the merger occurs. He thinks you should wait until after the merger because there may be a lot of profit taking. And Stock Moe and Larry Jones have both been very bullish on this one. But I'm going to go ahead and recommend that you buy after the merger. They're rumored to merge with Lucid Motors, and according to this Forbes article that I've read, as of February 16th, neither Lucid Motors nor CCIV have confirmed this yet. Stock Moe also thinks this agreement, the merger agreement, could come through by the end of the month. And he told us about Bionano Genomics Incorporated. Their ticker symbol is BNGO. Now they had a sharp increase in the past month, and he thinks that they still have lots of room to grow. It was $15.57 when he recommended this buy. From his research, he found that the annual compounded growth rate for the company is expected to increase from 12.8% to 13.65% in the year. Now, compounded annual growth rate is definitely a term you'll hear a lot when you're watching videos or reading company reports when you're trying to learn what to invest in. So I just kind of wanted to explain what that means. The compound annual growth rate, you might see abbreviated CAGR. Now, honestly, it's a little tricky. I could probably make a whole video explaining just this. But to give you all an idea for now, it's a representative figure that's calculated with the formula. It's not an average of two numbers, but it kind of shows you a snapshot of an estimated return on investment that increases and decreases over time, but it doesn't show you when it's gone up and down. But it is beneficial to get this general number when comparing different investment options. Okay, now that might have been too much, but let's get back to BNGO because I want to explain what this company is. Without getting too into the details of the science of Bionano Genomics, it's a company that works with detecting genetic disease. They do cancer research and genome imaging. It's a fancy science company that looks at our genomic DNA. Now, Larry Jones wanted me to recommend SOS Limited. Their ticker symbol is SOS, and this is a tech company. He thinks that this will increase all the way to $28, and right now I'm looking at it, and it's $13.60. Now, it has already run up, but he thinks there's still room to increase. He's recommending that you buy this one on the dips, and on February 17th, there was a big dip. Wednesday, February 17th, there was a big dip in this one because the market froze. This is a company that's based in China, in case you guys were wondering. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You know, I love presenting a little of my research mixed in with who I'm watching because, you know, I'm not trying to tell you where I think you should put your money. I definitely say do your own research. We're not here to tell you how to spend your money, but this is definitely what we recommend. I think they're trusted, they're well researched, they know what they're talking about, and people in their comments talk about how they've made the money. And with me, you know, we over here, we're starting off, we're new, but we're making money moves too. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Have a good one. See you guys next time.